Premium freehold industrial asset in Greater Kuala Lumpur, prime opportunity for foreign investors. Why invest in this Shah Alam industrial property? Malaysia's pro-business environment. 100% foreign ownership allowed for industrial assets, no restrictions under MITI guidelines. Competitive corporate tax rates, pioneer status incentives available for qualifying industries. Stable currency, MYR, and thriving manufacturing/export sector, ranked top 20 globally in ease of doing business. Unmatched specifications. Land, 108,924 square feet, 10,120 square meters, total built up, 120,227 square feet, 11,170 square meters, factory, 34,178 square feet, 3,176 square meters, 12 meters ceilings, 20 kilonewtons/sm floor loading, warehouses, 64,021 square feet, 5,948 square meters, across 3 units, ideal for 3PL, cold storage, or e-commerce fulfillment, office, 11,611 square feet, 1,080 square meters, modern finishes, passenger lift. Strategic location. Bukit Jelutong Industrial Park, Shah Alam's premier industrial zone, 30 minutes to KL city center, 45 minutes to Kuala. Key highway access, direct links to NKVE, Port Klang, Elite, North-South Expressway, and Kesses, Klang Valley. Nearby infrastructure, 15 minutes to Shah Alam City, Talent Pool, 20 minutes to Klang Port, ASEAN's second busiest port. Proximity to multinational industrial tenants, Proton, Sime Darby, etc. Investment highlights for foreign buyers. Freehold title, rare for industrial land, no lease expiry concerns. Future-proof asset, built to global standards, 600 amp power, 12 meters ceilings, heavy floor loading. High rental demand, tenants include MNCs, manufacturers, and logistics firms, target ROI, 6 to 8% gross. Exit strategy, Malaysia's industrial property market grew 7.3% YI, 2023 strong capital appreciation potential. Financial and legal considerations, price, RM 68 million, $14.5 million US, negotiable for bulk investors. Foreign ownership approval, straightforward process, state consent typically granted for industrial assets. Tax benefits, no RPGT, real property gains tax, after 5 years of ownership. Who should invest? Manufacturers, automotive, electronics, heavy industries needing high-spec space. Logistics operators, e-commerce giants, 3PL providers, cold storage. Institutional investors, REITs, private equity funds, or syndicates targeting ASEAN industrial assets. PE's email, sonnycock2@gmail.com or hand phone, +6016 218 7571. Secure your stake in Malaysia's booming industrial sector. Limited freehold assets of this scale remain.